Hey, welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to be doing a breakdown and showing you how I create 2 paintings, and I do it in such a quick amount of time. I don't put any thought into it, and that anybody could do this. Look, I didn't go to art school. I didn't have any kind of traditional kind of teachings or anything like that, but yet I was still able to sell over 18,000 paintings on eBay, and I can show you how you could do it as well too, without any kind of art school, without any kind of social media or playing any of those type of games and doing this back and forth, jumping through hoops and all this different types of stuff. So we're going to be showing that today, but also going to be talking about the mindset and just the different types of obstacles that might come into your way, distractions that might be coming into your way, and things what to look out for. So let's just break that down and get into the video right now. All right, so this is just me painting the bear right here. I'm painting a bear, and I'm always having fun. Like when it comes to different references, I always create different references, but I always create the same reference, right? So it doesn't matter even that I might have painted this before. It doesn't matter. I'm still going to go back and I'm still going to create the same reference before. If I notice that this painting did well and that it sold for $100, or if it sold for $200, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that I paint either the same type of painting next week, or I'm going to make sure that I painted the same one this week, but maybe just in a different color. It doesn't matter. I'm going to be able to do whatever I want. I'm going to be able to paint the different references that I want to paint. I'm going to be able to show up and do what I want to do. And that's the thing too. Don't feel like you always have to recreate the wheel, because you don't. So this is what I'm just showing right here, that I never challenge myself, or I never stress myself out on trying to recreate the wheel. I used to do that in my early gallery days, where I used to always try to recreate the wheel and have to be original, because I was just always so worried that other artists are going to think that, oh, that's not original. Oh, you stole this reference from somebody else. Oh, you took that idea. And a lot of times when we're artists or even painters, a lot of times we try to create ideas, or we try to create different paintings that we try to create these ideas and paintings for other artists, right? So you ever feel like, you know, that you're in that kind of circle where you're trying to create paintings for other people and other artists instead of for yourself or for the market? This is the best way to get out of that loop, out of that mindset. And that's why we create on eBay. So that way you're actually creating for the market. You're actually creating for people who want to purchase your art, instead of creating stuff for the market, or I mean, not the artist market, people who do gallery art, people who do Instagram, and people who might look at my stuff. You don't have to worry about any of that. I could create whatever I want. I'll create the same references. I don't even have to think about it. But here's the cool thing. Inside the elite community, I have tools in there that you could press one button and it will create the references for you. So no one could ever say, oh, you stole that. No, AI is going to meet you halfway of whatever your idea is, or you could do a reverse engineer of like a picture that you really like, and then you can pull it up, and then you could just do a reverse engineer, and then maybe it's a fire hydrant, maybe it's a horse. You could have it where it pops out into an artistic form of whatever you want to do, and then we're using the projector. So you can see right here, by me using the projector, I'm just choosing different colors of what I want. I'm just adding different layers on here. I'm not thinking too much about it. I'm just going along with the flow. And one of the cheat codes that helped me out is I use a larger paintbrush. So I use like a 1-inch paintbrush or a half-inch paintbrush, and it just helps with the confident brush strokes. So try to use that as a tool as well. And I'm telling you, anyone can do this. I trained so many people who had no art experience whatsoever. I had friends, cousins, family, and look at this painting, how it popped out. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, look at that bear. It's like coming right out. And then we're on to the next painting. On to the next painting to knock it out and to have something original, but it's not original because we're just being original that's already inside of us. So anything that's already inside of you, you could just paint it, just like when you were a kid. One of the best things that I love telling people is that when you were a kid, no one says at the Target store, or what stores did they have when we were growing up? No one had at Kmart saying that you couldn't buy Crayola box crowns because you didn't go to art school yet. So the stuff is already inside of you. Only thing that you have to do is just use the projector, use the proportions, and then make your own colors, make your own thing. But like I was saying, I taught cousins, family members, friends, people who had no art experience whatsoever, how to do this, because it's not about the talent, it's about systems in place. And once you learn how to do the systems in place and you know how to sell it on eBay, then everything just flows and you're able to just make the sales. You're able to make the paintings and you're able to make the sales, and it just comes to you naturally and you'll just have so much fun. Look at this painting right here, how I'm doing a Batman Superman. I'm not trying to recreate the wheel. I'm not trying to think about what new to do. I pulled this up off of using an AI reference. Only thing that I did was just type in there a superhero or something like that. This is the cool thing. You don't even have to type in the prompts of what you want to look for. You can actually use the AI tools that it's already inside of the elite community, push one button, and then it will either do a reverse engineer something cool like this for you, or it'll already give you an idea of things that's cool if you want to do it in a superhero look, and then you could just pop that out. Like, you don't have to think about it. Things don't always have to be so complex. I tell people all the time, like, we need to normalize where things aren't always going to be difficult. Things aren't always complex. People think that making money or being successful is always got to be so hard and it's always got to be so complex. Really, it's just about working smarter. But a lot of the tools that I already put in place for you is already me working smart for you, so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that I made. You could bypass that by already being in the community and using the tools that I already laid in place for you. I'm already jealous of you. I'm jealous of you because you have tools that I never had. You have tools in place that can make your business streamlined, from either creating the titles, either creating the structure, either coming up with different references. You have everything that's laid out there for you. So you don't even have to worry about social media. You don't have to worry about doing any kind of engagement farming when it comes to Facebook, showing art for friends, and you just pump it out. Look, I'm not trying to be detailed. I'm not chasing polar bear hairs here where I'm doing details on the lines and I'm painting with my wrist. I'm knocking these paintings out in what about 12-15 minutes at the most. It'll be 17 minutes, but even still, if I work it in that time of 17 minutes, I'm doing 6 to 7 paintings in 90 minutes. And that's the goal right there. And then after that, I'm taking a mandatory break that's non-negotiable. I'm taking a break for like 20-30 minutes. And then I work another shift, which is 90 minutes. And then it's on to the next one where I'm creating 6 to 7 paintings. And I'm not thinking of it. And this is the thing too. The audience, you're going to see that your buyers, they're going to love that you're not thinking about it either. Look how quick I'm going through the strokes here. They're going to love that you're being authentic to whoever you are and that you have the confident brush strokes. These are the things that sell. I see so many people not able to sell their artwork because they're trying to be what the market wants them to be. They're trying to be what other artists want them to be, or they're trying to create art that they think is aesthetically pleasing or what art school would like them to create. And then they don't sell anything, and then they get mad and say that, oh, I'm supposed to be a struggling artist, because you don't know who you're trying to be. You're trying to be somebody else instead of being yourself. So you can just see right here, I'm just going through the flow and I'm being myself. I'm having fun like a child with a Crayola crowns. And I didn't go to art school. That's the cool part about it. But I'm getting better at it. This is the only profession where you can actually get paid to learn. You actually get paid to get better. Like, how cool is that? So you can just see, this is the Batman right here. People love comic book Batmans. People love the different characters and just knocking it out. I don't care what it is. As soon as I see on the time clock that it's around 15-16 minutes, boom, I'm out of there. I'm done. I'm on to the next one, because art is never done. You can always keep painting. You can always keep creating. It'll never be over with. So why am I going to stress myself out and thinking that, oh, if I add this one extra line, it's going to be better. If I do this one extra, you'll never be able to know it, because the market will decide what they buy, not you. You might think that you spent so much time into something of what you care about, and then no one buys it. And then you're going to be mad, or you're going to resent the market. So that's just right there what we have. You could just see that's a great example. There's a beautiful painting of a Batman that we just did together. There's a Batman Superman kind of combo. Look, if you want to learn how you could do this, you can do this. You're already an artist. The art is inside of you. I always tell people all the time, this isn't art class. I can never teach you how to be an artist because the art is already inside of you. That's silly. Don't let people get into your head because they spent hundreds of thousands of dollars, or they spent how much ever they did in the art class or the art profession. You can do this for yourself. You can make the sales. The market is already there on eBay. You probably already sitting on a gold mine at home yourself, where you have inventory of things that you've drawn or that you drew years ago, sketched out, or things that you even painted or whatever, things that's in your attic. And you can get rid of that stuff. You can sell it. You want to learn how you could do that with the systems in place, not about the talent. Click the link below, join us in the free eBay art community, and I'm gonna see you in there.